Hey there, it's a crisp January morning, we're on the campsite, and Season 3 starts now.
So grab yourself a hot beverage, kick back, and we'll tell you all about what's coming up this season. Last spring, we quit our full-time corporate jobs to start living the life we imagined.
As we all know, COVID happened, but we were really fortunate to be able to move forward with those plans. We sold our house, bought a new one, and moved during the summer, and then we were still able to cross the country in the fall to go and spend some time with family when the virus was somewhat under control.
Exactly. And now we've been back at our home base since about November.
And since then, though, COVID numbers have been flaring up across our province of BC. So the current situation is that provincial law prohibits us from socializing with anyone outside of our immediate household, and they want everyone to basically stay within their own region. So for us, that's the Fraser Valley and the Lower Mainland. And we'll show you a map here of what that area looks like.
So what now? Well, since we have to stay in the Lower Mainland, we're going to show you some spots near us, and we've even found some winter camping spots like the one we're in right now.
Yeah, and we'll have another video about that a little later. It's also a good time for us to work on the trailer, and so doing things like repairs and modifications. So Season 3 is actually going to have a little bit more of a focus on some of the projects we have planned.
And we have some big ones. The number one being an upgrade to lithium batteries.
Yes.
And we're going to install a 400-watt solar system. Mm-hmm. We're going to do some minor interior updates.
Yeah.
And some cat-friendly RV mods. So yes. Stay tuned for that.
Yeah. Click the like button if you are interested in updating your system to solar or lithium batteries as well.
So this season we have some changes to our videos too. As you may have seen, we've simplified our video thumbnails a little bit. And we have a brand new intro. It's shorter and to the point.
We also want to focus our message to be about living the life you've imagined. Those are words that I personally have taken to heart over the years. It's a famous quote by Henry Thoreau, and that's how we live our life, and that's the whole reason for us doing this big change.
Exactly.
Yeah. We want to show you how we live our life the way we imagine, and hopefully inspire you to do the same.
And that means a new tagline too.
Yeah. So if you have any ideas on how we can make our videos better, or maybe cover topics that you're most interested in, please let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate if you could give a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Share with your friends, etc. It really helps us grow our channel and reach a wider audience. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, keep on living the life you've imagined. Lower Mainland, we want to show you some sites near us and those too. Mm-hmm. As you may have seen, we've simple.
I have fluff in my hair. I have fluff in my mouth. Okay.
Fluff in your mouth.
Fluff in my mouth. Fluff and noogans.